How to speak about past actions. Welcome to our lesson about past simple, where you will learn how to make sentences about the past. Past simple is a verb tense that helps us express actions that happened in the past. First, let's look at the grammar form so that we will be able to use it in sentences correctly. For positive sentences, we have this simple scheme: subject, which shows who is doing the action, plus the second form of the verb. Let's take an example. He went to school yesterday. He is the subject in our sentence. Went is the second form of the verb go. There are regular and irregular verbs which form their past tense differently. As a general rule, regular verbs form their past tense only by adding ed to the verb. For instance, move, moved, or watch, watched. However, irregular verbs do not follow the same rule. They have a default form that must be learned as such. Don't worry, there is a list of irregular verbs that you can learn in order to recognize and use them correctly. The scheme is also valid for both regular and irregular verbs. She watched a movie last night. For questions, we have to add did and change the position of the subject with did as follows. Did plus subject plus verb in the present. Remember, when we add did, we have to use the verb in the present, as did is already in the past. Did is the past tense of the verb do. For instance, did he go to school yesterday? Or, did she watch that movie yesterday night? For negations, we have to add not to our scheme like this. Subject plus did plus not plus verb. He did not or didn't go to school yesterday. She did not or didn't watch any movie yesterday night. To form negative questions, we have to change the position of the words like this. Did plus not plus subject plus verb. Didn't he go to school yesterday? Didn't she watch a movie yesterday night?
We hope that this answered more questions that it raised. As always, if there are any questions, watch again the video and write down the main ideas so that you can learn them more easily. See you next time.